Hello traders. We all know trading the stock markets can be extremely rewarding career or a profession or a business. But as a trader, you may also know it's a very exhausting process and it might drain out your energies to a large extent. Right? Well, are you a trader who gets completely tired and exhausted at the end of the trading session? Or are you a trader while in positions get extremely frustrated or feel anxiety about your holdings or positions? Or are you a trader once having booked a good profit or a loss, you go through a emotional upheaval which becomes kind of difficult to handle at the end of the trading session? Well, we all know trading is also an emotional game. So at the end of the whole trading process, we might go through some of the emotional experiences which can also have a collateral damage or collateral impact on other aspects of your life. Right? Well, my name is Dilip Sagar and I have been trading myself in the Indian stock markets for over 20 years now. I know the challenges of trading and I have also been an entrepreneur for last 10 years, and now for the past 1 year I have been a transformation coach helping the traders in managing their psychological or emotional part of trading. As part of this, I have created a program called Banao Bharat. This Banao Bharat is a kind of a project wherein the main objective is to help the traders get financial freedom through the stock markets. It's called as Banao Bharat Arthik Nirbharta Abhiyan. So as part of this program, we have just checked on how well we can help the traders and what we can do in that respect. As part of it, we have started something called as Nitya Pranayam. Well, I have been a yoga consultant myself, and so all the yogic shastras say the mind and the breath are interlinked. As long as you can manage your breath, you can also manage your mind. We all know how important to manage our mind and emotional thought process during our trading process. So it is important, any trader, whether you are a beginner or a professional or a full-time trader, it is important you keep your mind fresh at all time, alert at all times, and not get influenced by the consequences of your trading activities. So this program Nitya Pranayam is a 5 days program, happens every Monday to Friday on all trading days, especially 2 times a day, one at 11:11 a.m. in the morning and another at 15:15, which is 3:15, just before the market closes. So this pranayama sessions will be for about 15 to 20 minutes each day. You can all join into this program and become more efficient trader by managing your mind effectively. So let us all join together and build a very effective and successful trading community. See you all in. Until then, Om Swasti.